Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Clash of Clans mods. First, understand that these modifications are not officially supported by Supercell. They often provide advantages like unlimited gems, gold, or elixir, allowing players to build and upgrade their bases much faster. However, using them carries significant risks, including potential account bans. It's crucial to be aware of these consequences before proceeding. Before considering any modifications, be fully aware of the serious risks involved. Supercell has a strict policy against third-party software, and using mods will almost certainly lead to a permanent ban of your game account. Furthermore, downloading modified game files from unofficial sources can expose your device to malicious software, potentially compromising your personal information and device security. Exercise extreme caution. Typically, Clash of Clans mods are distributed through unofficial channels, primarily third-party websites and online forums dedicated to game modifications. For Android users, this usually involves downloading a modified APK file and installing it manually. iOS users face a more complex process, often requiring their device to be jailbroken to allow the installation of unauthorized applications. Always verify sources carefully, though official channels are non-existent. Instead of risking your account with unofficial mods, consider focusing on legitimate strategies to enhance your Clash of Clans experience. There are numerous guides and communities dedicated to helping players improve their base designs and attack strategies. Participating in official in-game events and challenges also offers substantial rewards without any risk. Remember, fair play ensures a sustainable and enjoyable gaming journey for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.